Okay, now we are moving on to 1.2. So this is question 1A. So they gave us a little square. This is a 1 by 1 square. Okay. So okay. And I see that only one of the little rectangle is being shaded. So we were told that this has a total length of just 1. They didn't even tell us the unit. And the width here is also having a total length of 1. So the area that is being shaded is going to be first 1 times 1, which is the area of the entire square in this case. Of the entire square. So the entire square is this one right here. I'm just going to make it pink. Okay, so the square is the pink one. So 1 times 1 is just the total area of the pink square. And now, only one out of the 12 little rectangle inside this pink square is being shaded. So if I do this calculation, this will give me the area of the shaded region. Well, 1 times 1 is 1. So I have 1 times 1 over 12. I can say 1 is the same as 1 over 1. Now I can multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. So for the numerator, 1 times 1 is 1. For the denominator, 1 times 12 is 12. So that would be my answer, just 1 over 12. And then 1b. So this time 2 of them are shaded, so it will be the same idea. The area is going to be 1 times 1, which is the area of the entire square, times 2 out of 6. Only 2 out of the 6 total rectangles are being shaded. This becomes 1 over 1 times, if I simplify 2 over 6, I can divide 2 by 2 to get 1, divide 6 by 2 to get 3. So I can simplify it before I multiply it. So you can always divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. And this is called simplifying. So simplify. By dividing both numerator and denominator with the same number or divisor. I'll just call this number. So in this case, I divided both of them by 2. Again, I multiplied the numerator with the numerator to get 1, denominator with the denominator to get 3. So my answer is 1 over 3. And then C. Area here will be 1 times 1, which is the area of the entire square, times 4 out of 9 of the little squares being shaded. We should get 1 over 1 times 4 over 9. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 9 is 9. So my answer will be 4/9. D. Same idea, the area of the total square will be 1 times 1. These are all 1 by 1 square. And 6 out of a total of 12. Little rectangle is being shaded. Before I multiply, I will simplify. Divide 6 by 6 to get 1, divide 12 by 6 to get 2. So my final answer is 1 times 1, which is 1. I can put it as 1/1 times 1/2. And I multiply the numerator. 1 times 1 is 1. Denominator, 1 times 2 is 2. So 1/2 will be the final answer. And then E. So area, again, is 1 times 1, and then times 3 out of 6. I simplify before I multiply. Divide 3 by 3 to get 1, divide 6 by 3 to get 2. So my final answer becomes 1 times 1 times, 1 times 1 is 1, and then I put it as 1/1 times 1/2. I multiply the numerator. 1 times 1 is 1, denominator 1 times 2 is 2. So the area is just a half. And F. Area is 1 times 1 times 6/6. So 1 times 1 is just 1. I can put it as 1/1. Again, I will simplify. Divide by 6 to get 1. Divide the denominator by 6 to also get 1. So I'm left with just 1/1 times 1/1, which is 1/1. But 1/1 is really just 1, because anything over 1 is itself. And that's it. That's question 1. I will see you in question 2.